cognitive theorists have played an integral role in facilitating our understanding of human behavior. We are and can be influenced by who we are as individuals, our backgrounds, biology, experiences, and our projections for who we stand to be in various stages of the future. While today's update will briefly focus on one blip of some human development theory, human development in family science literature yields many facets of knowledge across the history of academic works in the field. Through our endeavors, Frivolosity, Inc. hopes to emphasize the breadth and depth of research-derived, carefully woven, and intentionally curated curriculum woven within our message, products, and services. Context: I took up the challenge of refurbishing an abandoned embroidery machine that was left after a house fire. She was dirty, missing parts, including hoops, plate covers, electric sockets, and more. She was covered in soot and was unoperational. I began the arduous task of dismantling a machine I knew very little about in an attempt to revive the PE 500. We were led down a multi-video rabbit hole documenting the process of the refurbishment. Theorist Vygotsky wrote about what he coined zones of proximal development. Surmised, these zones personify the equilibrium and critical duality of carefully calibrated instructional supervision merged with opportunities to independently apply problem-solving techniques. Genuine taxation of our minds in novel situations can reap significant cognitive neural stimulation that can carry on to new cases. The task was indeed stimulating to my nerves and my sometimes not so pleasant vocabulary. There were many instances of failure in slipped needles, distorted attempts, and setting calibrations. Though the clips appear seamless, over 5 hours of work went into the process, scrubbing each and every inch repeatedly. Perseverance paid off though, and eventually the machine was restored to working order, producing accurate stitches that I will be proud to create, teach, and learn with in the future. We self-subjected ourselves to this task because we wanted to instill a culture of stakeholdership, to challenge your own comfort zones, and to actively seek out those instances where your skill sets can be continually honed. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe the Frivolosity, Inc. social media avenues, including YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and our home website. Visit Frivolosity, Inc. to see more regarding our sewing, life skills, personal, professional, and career development services, products, private and group classes. Frivolosity, Inc. is fueled by opportunities to try something new, create something using newfound knowledge, and the wish to transfer that knowledge to others. Please help us spread our gift. Thank you.